Are you ready to set off fireworks of flavor this Independence Day? Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today I'll show you how to have a patriotic celebration come together with just 6 ingredients, with my berry cherry cobbler cup recipe. Let's get started. In a medium bowl, combine a 1/4 cup of Hy-Vee flour, 2 tablespoons of packed brown sugar, and a few dashes of ground cinnamon. Mix in 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter with a pastry blender or 2 forks until well combined. Next, heat a non-stick skillet over medium-high heat and add the flour mixture. Keep stirring frequently for 2 to 3 minutes or until the butter completely melts. Crumble the mix in the skillet and set aside. In 6 separate cups, add a 1/2 cup of fresh chopped strawberries, a 1/2 cup of fresh pitted cherries, and 1 tablespoon of the crumble mixture. Strawberries are rich in antioxidants and fiber to help support a healthy digestive system and control your blood sugar. While cherries are packed with valuable nutrients like vitamin C and melatonin, helping support a restful night's sleep. Cherries can also help relieve inflammation and support bone health. Once they're in their cups, all that's left to do is serve and get the party started. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com. And for more tips to keep you and your family healthy, visit our new Hy-Vee Health page on Facebook or Instagram today.